Hi everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. What you're looking at is the source code of one of my demos of my experimentation over the last few days trying to get the scheduling done using crontab. I've put together a half-an-hour video that is being rendered right now here, and it's basically a rendition of the schedule tab. I put up something on my blog a few days ago. Let me just see this article here called How to Use crontab in Linux and Mac OS with Python. Very important to understand. I've been trying since last night trying to get this crontab to work reliably. It does not work reliably. As a result, I've kind of dumped it, but I'm going to keep the tutorial up for those that may think it's useful, but I think I've gone back to the old schedule Python package because that's proven to be very, very reliable. So this is the code for the crontab. It fails. I've also gone over in this half-hour demo the various Python scripts for resetting everything, the logs, backing up the logs, moving them into an archive directory, clearing out the database, the Redis database. I've gone through the scheduling of all these jobs. I've gone over the highlight of how everything gets scheduled, how often I'm doing it. I've gone over the equity curve update on how to generate equity curves so you can generate this kind of report. This is just a raw text file, but you can easily pretty this up with a Word document or a PDF if you had to. So there's that. I've gone over. I've also gone over how to generate the P&L CSV file. This is again trading, end-of-day trading. That is your trading session for the 24 hours of trading in, let's say, the cryptocurrency space with Binance, and at the end of the trading day, in my case, midnight, local, and then reports the date, the total P&L or profit or return, as well as the win ratio and the rate of change on all the positions for that trading session. So we've covered all that, and these are full code walkthroughs. Don't provide the code, but they're there. They're very short, simple demonstrations. So people are going to go, where do I go to get that? Well, if you go over to my section on the Elite section, under you will find that, and I've gotten now 4 videos from last week I posted, and it's all collective, probably about 5 hours of video, no, not that many, 2 hours of videos showing you how all this stuff works, including the optimizing of portfolio weightings. All of that is part of now this video series for over the last 2 weeks or so. All of it's now posted on my Elite service. So probably going to remove it in the next week or so because I'm giving those that have and want access to understand how it works will have that opportunity. I will probably remove it in the next week or so to take all this out. It is, in my mind, secret sauce stuff, and as I've always promised myself since day one, I've tried to be transparent, but this is kind of a roundabout way of doing it. But it's only available for those that are willing to pay to get access to this sort of information. So that's how it stands, and hopefully you're cool with it. If not, oh well. We shall talk to you later. Bye.